Hey, I'm Fish. We're going for a ride. So, I got a lot of things to do, take care of, and get it done. Always good to get a bike ride. Today's my day. Late morning, I get an email and I get to answer it and choose what I want. What's available now or not. I'm thinking about the Max more than the Go. One I can fit where I want. The other one you cannot fit where you want. Personally, I don't need it. I don't want it. Personally, I want it, but I don't need it. But really, I'm just happy I could have this talk with you. The color of moss and algae, man, it really lights up when that sun starts to hit it. Now I gotta get to work, do what I gotta do, and I'm a little late. Now I'm gonna tell you what these are. These are our studios, and we're doing a film. Yeah. Interesting is that everyone's got their own little dressing room and offices. And we got the workers all coming in. Eyes were on the camera. So yeah, what film are we filming? Well, come to the Fish's channel and I'll tell you. I got no secrets. I told you I'd make you a star, baby. I really did. Oh yeah, man. That's it. Movies. Movies for real TV channels and no more. Movies for your cable provider. No more. Unless you have a streaming service. That's where everything goes. Watch the movie on HBO called The Sympathizer. I'm looking for episode 1 and you can't get it on HBO. You gotta go to the application Max. And yeah, then you're able to watch it. Wasn't that great? Maybe episode 2 would be better. I don't know. We'll see what we can do for you on the movie we're shooting. Let me show you the biggest boat on the water. That's the little red one right here. The little red kayak is the biggest boat on the water. The sun. It's rising. What we all do. We capture the moments on film with what we got. We capture videos with what we got. Smartphones. We'll get a couple of shots. Get them in there. Is it really that warm out? See the sun hitting across the way, lighting up. Here they come, there they go. The Adventure 2 by Cannondale. It's a hybrid bike. It's a comfort bike. It's a lightweight bike. Gets you to and from very easily. Accessories like a cup holder, an inflatable tire, fenders, luggage rack, and more. Now the bike comes with everything that you need. You could put lights on it as well for your safety needs. Reflectors are already on. You have a micro 7 switch. Not the best in the world. It works very nice most of the time. You have disc brakes. Converting over, not that difficult. You could get different kits, and you could put a front hub, a mid hub, a rear hub. This is an aluminum frame. Adding 10 pounds to the bike almost makes it like a metal frame bike, steel frame. If I was to put a kit on, that's what worries me right now. It's going to be heavier. I want to get an e-bike so I can go further, and when I'm done, turn it on and assist going home. But I don't think it's going to be necessary to get one for my needs. It's something that I do want. And I am going to basically look at what they're offering, what's available now, and what's soon to come. Because everything that you see online is overseas and not over here. But you see a lot of e-bikes. Just stick with the bike, have fun, enjoy, and when you really do need one, down the road, one will come available for you. So I've looked at a number of companies, and I don't mind mentioning them. Switch, Kirby e-bike, and Switchy. And then when I start to look, I just see others, some of them pop up. I'm not interested in 1,000 watt, 2,000 watt. I'm interested in something that's very simple, street legal, 250 watt. You don't need to go more than 15.5 miles per hour on the bike. 9 miles per hour is coasting speed, and that is comfortable, and that is a real comfort speed. 15 is fast, but you know what's the most comfortable speed around? Between those two, about 11.5 miles per hour. That gets you to where you are comfortably going. So yeah, I'm gonna look. I'm gonna make my decision soon. And yeah, that's what it's all about. The Cannondale Adventure 2. It's got a Micro 7 switch, 36 cog with multiple cogs in the rear, which I don't know. And right now I'm in gear number 3. 3 is comfortable. It's more like my sweet spot where I ride. But I should get down into gear number 2 and wish I could lock it in where it clicks properly on those gears. It's a little difficult. Maybe it's a little bit of adjustment. I'm not sure. It's not perfect. I'm glad I didn't get the press one to go in. But maybe there is something that's a little bit better than this kit. Well, Cannondale is the best around, not the seat. Seats are uncomfortable. Everything comes brown. I'm happy with my setup. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I thank you very much for joining. I got to get on out of here, and I got to get mosey along.